Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the Google Authenticator app. With the Google Authenticator app, you'll be able to add an extra layer of security to any account that supports the Google Authenticator. Now, this is quite easy to set up. What you want to do is go to the App Store on your mobile device, and in the search section, you want to search for Authenticator. Here you find Google Authenticator. Go ahead and install the application. Once installed, tap on Open and tap on Get Started. Choose your account in this section. If you have multiple accounts signing into your mobile device, you can tap on the drop down in this section and you'll be able to choose the account from here. Tap on continue, and that's all you need to do to set up the Google Authenticator. Now, to use the Google Authenticator, it's quite easy. You can add a code when you tap on add. You have two options in this section: to scan a QR code and enter a security key. Now, when you choose to scan a QR code, on the platform where you choose to enable two-factor authenticator, you'll be able to scan the QR code with your camera to connect your account. Now, when you choose to enter a passkey, you can copy the authentication key provided and paste it in this section. Choose whether you want it to be time-based or counter-based and tap on add. Now, if you wish to transfer your account, you can do things such as transfer by simply tapping on the import existing account section here, or you can tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen and you see transfer accounts in this section. You'll be able to export your account to another Google account, and you can also scan QR code to bring new accounts into your Google account. So thank you for watching this video on how to set up and use Google Authenticator, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.